Good morning, my friends. Welcome to my channel. And previous to this chapter, we have seen that how we can pass dates, how we can pass time, and we have passed the boolean here. And previous to that, we have seen how we can pass the integers, strings, and null and empty. All these things we have seen in the past chapters. Now we will focus on the enum, how we can pass the enums and few more ways. Uh, through which we can pass the data. Okay, so let's say, so we have created a enum of direction east, west, north, south, and we have given numbers, value to the directions. And let I will explain this one later on. So let's go to here. Okay, so this is the enum source. You have to write annotate at the rate enum source. You need to give the direction. This is our enum name. This is the direction. So I have passed the enum here, and here I am collecting the all the enums into this param. And what I'm doing here, you can print out all the values will be printed here. And moreover, I have added a check that direction dot name. So enum dot name dot equals east. So in case whenever the east is coming, then only print out the statement that sun is about to rise. Otherwise, in other cases, don't print anything and nothing will happen. Okay, so this way I'm passing all these enum values to my second test case. Okay, and in the third test case, what I'm doing, again, I'm adding the parameterized test, and in the enum source, I am giving two things here. Here, I have passed the complete enum altogether, but here I am not passing the complete enums. I am giving few values from the enum. Okay, so enum has the four value in my case, four direction, but I want to pass only north and south. That's it. I don't want to give complete directions like in this case. So here what I have done, I have added again the same class, direction dot class, same enum, and I have specified few values out of these four value. So basically there are four value. I don't want to pass east and west. I only want to pass north and south. So in that case, you need to specify value and name separately. Okay, and rest everything will remain same. Again, the parameter is direction here, and you can do whatever based on whatever the direction you are getting. Okay, so these are the two test cases which we are going to run now. Let's see the so specific direction here. This statement is printed two times, and sun is about to rise has been printed here. And if you uncomment this particular line, you can see all the direction as well. So this way, this is the third test case, and here east, sun is about to rise, west, north, south. In these three cases, nothing has been printed because we have put a if check here. If direction is east, only then you print out something, otherwise don't print anything. And in other three cases, we are simply printing out the direction. So this way we have seen how we can pass the enum. Here are the results. So here the 4 and 5 6. So again, six test cases we have run out of these two test cases. Okay, so let me comment then, and then we'll see the first test case. So what I'm doing here, I'm not passing the enum which we have created. Okay, so there are some within the Java, like in the time package, we have a month class. Okay, so month is already giving me a enum. Okay, so we can see the source as well if it is here. So you can see this is enum. Okay, enum Java time month dot march. So already enum has been provided by the Java. This particular enum Java time month, right? It implements further things. So this is the enum. So we already have a enum from the Java, and this is the enum name is month. Okay, so I'm passing this month enum here, and I'm printing all the enums value, and I'm fetching the values month. So this is the enum dot get value, all the values. So values are this thing, like I have given some values, right? East is one, west is second. So similarly, January is one, February is two, till December it is 12. So I'm putting an assertion that month number should be greater than equal to one, or and month, or they should be less than equal to 12, right? From January to December. So I'm putting some assertions here. So let me run this. And here you can see how many test cases we have run. 12 test cases, right? All the 12 test cases has been run successfully. And in the output, let me see. Okay, let me run it once again. So output will contains all the months. You can see here, January till December, all the months has been printed, and this check has been passed. Right, friends? So we have seen how we can pass the enum as well. This is the custom enum. You can create your own custom enum, and this is some predefined enums present in the Java. So we have seen all both kind of examples, right? So thanks for learning and have a good day. Bye bye.